Okay guys, good day. I entered this trade yesterday and I'm already at $100 from $26 to $100 profit, and it's not even up to 10 hours. You can see they've already removed the box that is over here if you update your MetaTrader 5 account, but it's a real account. You can see the Rift server. Then let's come to charts. Let me explain real quick. Okay, coming to bigger time frame, you can see that this. Okay, let's start from 4 hours time frame. You can see the zone that I drew right over here. This is our demand zone, and this is the demand zone that breaks the structure right over here. You can see the high here. This is our low, and this is our high. This is the low that breaks the high here to form another high. And once it's formed another high, it retraces back to this low. Once it retraces back to this low, we already marked this place as our zone, golden zone. And once it retraces back to this zone, you won't just make entry like that, because sometimes it might break this zone, sometimes it might respect it. So this year you will use your trading psychology to know maybe it will respect it or not. Even though I had late entries, I had to use market structure to find my entry in between here and hold, and that's why I flew $26 to $100 in less than 10 hours. Yeah, in less than 10 hours. So for you to know much more about what you need to look for you to know much more about this, how to mark out your zone. We have a lot of zone in the market. We have the demand and supply zone, other block too. There are some other blocks that they are golden zones too. You have to mark out. Once the market get there, you have to find your entry there. You can use price actions. You can use your head and shoulder to mark out your zone. You can see that we can call this head, we can call this first shoulder head, and we don't know, maybe the second shoulder will form there. So I set TP. Once the market reach TP, then I'll use my trading psychology to look for an entry to know that maybe it will really give us head and shoulder pattern right over here, and if not, then it's going here to the top right over here. So I have a book called Trading on a Book. It explains how to mark out your zones. Then immediately you mark out your zone, what are the things to look out for before you make entries on that zone. Okay, what are the things you need to look out for before you make entries on that zone? You have to know, once the market reaches your zone, you have to know who is in control. Is it buyers or sellers? And also, you have to know the power of sellers in that zone, the power of buyers in that zone, before you know maybe the market will respect the zone or not. So simple as that. For you to know much more, to know how to flip accounts within few hours, then you can follow the link in the description. Once you follow the link in the description, the ebook will explain how, tell you how, then you get access to ask me direct question, free coaching also. So that's it. Thank you.